So as I wait for that other foam extrusion to come in, I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes and cut out all the holes in the roof. What I'm going to just do is start on the inside. So I already know where this hole is going to be, so I'll just go ahead and drill some holes at the corner. And actually on the inside right here, I'll just cut it out from the inside. Same with the skylight. Well, most of it's due to an unfortunate accident. This paneling won't actually support the weight of a human being, so don't step on it when you're putting a roof down. There's only minor injuries. And then of course the last one that goes through is right here. So I'll do the same thing, just drill out the corners, cut it all out. Then what I'll do is I'll go on the roof, get the paneling up there to mask off where the sewer vent goes, the refrigerator vent goes. The TV antenna, I can drill a hole through the vent, or through the hole itself, through the ceiling. And then the coax just goes on the other side. I have the mask for that, so this actually goes through, so I can get to that one. Once I get all that done, the foam goes in, trim the roof, put that roof down, then I can actually just get this thing back together. It's pretty much done at that point. So this doesn't have to be perfect, so it's not gonna be. So I'm just using my body saw, Matco, with a wood scroll blade on it. That's all I'm doing. Seems to work. Okay, now that I got these holes cut out, I can put my plywood templates back on top, and I should be able to find the sewer vent over here. The refrigerator, right around here. So I have one more lined up to that one. I'll draw it out, but I'll make sure that I put it in the right spot. So I got my mask on there, my template back on there. So this one's lined up with actually the foam, because the foam hasn't changed at all. Same with the shower opening. It's all lined up with the foam. So that's my sewer vent, and that's my refrigerator vent. It's just like a puzzle. So I'll just draw this out and then cut it out. Son of a bitch. Ooh, that's pretty good. What I'm going to do is just make it bigger so I can see that I'm in the right spot. Well, so pretty much the last two holes I have to do are this is the antenna crank handle hole. There's a coax on that base that's right about here, 3.5 inches from this point. And then of course the satellite. Well, it's hollow. That's a good sign. There it is, right there. I can grab that, that's good. So before I put the paneling back down, I ran that coax cable through, Winnebago's pre-wire, and then I measured it about 18 inches from this antenna back to where it was. So I got a lot of leeway, hopefully. Well, it looks hollow. And it's right there. So we did good. Well, that's all the holes in the roof. So pick up the foam, get this roof edge down. I can put caps back on and get this coach out back to its owner to enjoy. Well, I got a channel.
Kind of a celebrity.
I mean, I'm not saying I have 125 subscribers or anything, but pretty soon I'll have that elusive
I got 5.
gold play button.